Drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go.
Beginning match 6 in the lower bracket here at the Seven Rivers Regional. Red Alliance off to a quick start. 2 Coral up on that level 4, 1 in the trough, a 3rd Coral up on that level 4 from what looks like DNA. Their partners, TC, getting another Coral up there as well. 4 Coral up on that high one. On the Blue Alliance side, all 3 off of the starting line. Unfortunately, doesn't look like any Coral was scored on the reef at that time. Aluabadi, though, quick to place a Coral onto that level 4. TC Robotics quickly placing an algae into that net. Player 1, though, for the Blue Alliance right there behind them to place an algae into their net. Steampunk on the Blue Alliance pulling that algae off of the reef. Looks like Rebel Robotics gonna try and play some defense on the Blue Alliance side of the field, letting the Red Alliance use all of the space they can on their side of the field to move back and forth from human player station to the reef. Looks like teams working very well together to get that Coral onto that level 4, which is already full. TC now pulling another algae off of the reef and bringing it right over to the net, wasting no time. TC heading back to their human player, their teammates DNA doing the same. Blue Alliance side of the field, player 1 putting another algae up into that net. Aluabadi pulling the algae off of the field, off of their reef. Aluabadi now on the Red Alliance side of the field, gonna try and play some defense, it looks like. Only 1 piece of algae remaining on the Red Alliance reef. Blue Alliance, no algae remaining at this time. Steampunk gonna line themselves up with the reef to try and place another Coral. That reef zone is protected, so Rebel Robotics being very careful to make sure they give the appropriate space. Player 1 on the Blue Alliance gonna try and grab another piece of algae. Just over 30 seconds remaining in the match. Both TC and DNA back and forth trying to get more Coral onto this reef. Rebel Robotics for the Red Alliance lining up already with their deep cage. Gonna try and get themselves up. 20 seconds hits as our sonar sounds. Steampunk for the Blue Alliance already up. Rebel Robotics trying to get themselves up as far as they can. Their teammates TC already up in the air. DNA continuing to go back and forth, trying to get as much on there as they can in the remaining 3 seconds. Now trying to park across that line without bumping their teammates. Looks like they have made it in for the parking points. Red Alliance win. 168 to Blue Alliance's 60. Red Alliance advances to round 3, match 9 in the lower bracket. Unfortunately, this does mean